Hello everyone, welcome to Protein-Ligand MD simulation course. In this course, you will be understanding how we can perform MD simulation of protein as well as ligand complex using GROMACS. We have various modules in this particular course. I will be starting from ligand and protein structure. We'll be separating those two structures, creating the topology, creating the parameters for further simulation, and then we will be minimizing the system. Energy minimization will be performed. We will be performing equilibration, NPT and BT equilibration, and then further the final run will be performed. All that is separated into separate modules. So I want you to complete the course that I've created before this, which was the protein MD simulation just on the apoprotein without any ligand molecule. So that course I've created before this course because these are two different systems and the requirement for protein and ligand is slightly different than just the apoprotein. And if you are, someone who is doing research in the area of protein, drug molecule, as well as conformation dynamics of the protein, both of these courses are going to be really helpful for you to actually get some publication quality data or perform some basic research on protein-drug interaction as well as, protein conformation dynamics. If you are someone who is trying to understand how we can use computational biology and discover new molecules against range of receptors that are available, this course is for you, whether you are a UG student, PG student, or PhD student. This is going to equip you with a lot of skills that are required for drug molecule screening as well as understanding its function in a molecular system. We're going to understand in detail about the science also. It's not just you're going to get to run few commands and you will get the results out. No, but I'll be explaining the science behind all the steps that we are performing, and with that you will have a very good understanding of MD simulation and also the practical aspect of MD simulation where you are going to get some useful results out. So in this course, you will be provided with the presentation for every module. When you get enrolled into it, you will be provided with the files. I'm going to add all the files in the module second, where if you go to the second module, you will be able to find links to download those files. Those files are really important and you can use those files to actually follow along. If you have your own system of ligand and protein, you can use that and just perform all the steps on that system. In that way, you should be able to get some results out. So all right, without any delay, let's get started and complete all the modules. After completing this particular course, you will also be provided with a certificate and you will be a certified person in the protein ligand MD simulation. Thank you so much for your support. Keep supporting Research Goal and I'll be bringing more interesting, amazing courses for your future research skills. Now, let's get started with the module 1.